Keling Medical Devices Company, Limited is a medical device professional R&D and production enterprise with over 25 years of brand reputation. With anti-collision device and 4-pole at the head of the bed. Turn on the power. The bed rises, and the rising speed is relatively slow, ensuring a comfortable feeling for the parturient. The bed is lowered to the lowest position, so that the parturient can go to bed by herself. There are guardrails on both sides of the bed. And the guardrails can be lowered with one button, which is convenient for transportation. The footboard can be raised and lowered electrically. The backboard can be up and down. Trendelenburg and Rev Trend. With leg support. With handle. When the parturient gives birth, remove the middle part of the leg board and take away the mattress. The bottom is the pull-out type, and the bottom is the dirt basin. The dirt basin can be sterilized after use. The leg support can be easily removed when not in use. The leg board can be folded to be used as a foot pedal. The leg board can be adjusted in angle and position according to the actual needs of the user. Central brake device.